This man ordered pizza every single day for 10 years until one day he suddenly stopped and employees found out the shocking truth. 48-year-old Kirk Alexander lived all alone in a house located in Boston, Massachusetts. Pizza was his absolute favorite food, so he ordered it every single day for 10 years from the same Domino's pizza place. Until one day he suddenly stopped ordering and employees started to wonder what had happened. A few days later, the manager of that Domino's noticed that he hadn't placed an order in the past 11 days, and that's when she knew that something was wrong. She then decided to send an employee to check in on their most loyal customer. When he was approaching the front door, he noticed that all of the lights were on, but nobody answered when he knocked. So they decided to call 911, and what they found when they arrived was so shocking they couldn't believe it. When they entered the apartment, they found Kirk on the floor gasping for air. It turns out that he was battling a stroke, but here's where the story gets better. Kirk ended up making a full recovery, and the host of Good Morning America gave the entire staff of that Domino's a really great gift. All of them got tickets to the premiere screening of Captain America: Civil War.